An AI agent does not need one giant bucket called memory. It needs the right memory at the right moment. Hermes Agent separates recall into 4 layers: an always-on user profile, a deep fact store, searchable conversation history, and reusable skills. Together, they turn a generic model response into an answer that is personal, grounded, historically aware, and able to follow proven procedures. The first layer is lightweight and always on. Hermes builds a compact user profile containing durable context: who you are, your preferences, your working environment, and constraints that should shape every answer. Because this profile is injected into each session, you do not have to repeat that you use a Mac, prefer concise replies, or work in a particular directory. It is small by design, high-value context, immediately available. For deeper knowledge, Hermes uses Fact Store. Instead of treating memory as isolated sentences, it can reason over entities and relationships. A person works on a project uses a service, and that service has a constraint. Facts carry provenance and trust. When new evidence conflicts with an old claim, confidence and recency help Hermes avoid blindly accepting whichever statement appeared last. Deep memory is therefore not just retrieval, it is structured, evidence-aware reasoning. A different question needs a different tool. What did we decide last Tuesday? Session search queries the conversation archive, finds the most relevant sessions, and returns the matching exchange with surrounding context. It can also include the start and end of a session, so Hermes sees the original goal and the eventual resolution. The key design choice is retrieval on demand. Old transcripts remain searchable without crowding every new prompt. Facts remember what? Skills remember how. A Hermes skill is procedural memory, a reusable playbook with trigger conditions, exact steps, common pitfalls, and verification checks. When Hermes solves a difficult task, discovers a reliable workflow, or learns from a correction, that procedure can be saved and loaded in future sessions. Skills turn one successful outcome into repeatable capability, while still keeping detailed instructions out of the prompt until they are needed. Now watch the layers work together. A request arrives. The always-on profile supplies preferences and environment. Fact Store resolves the people, projects, relationships, and confidence behind the request. Session search recovers the decision that led here. The matching skill provides a tested procedure. Hermes combines the results, takes action with tools, and verifies the outcome. If the workflow improves, it can become better procedural memory next time. Memory is not a single feature. It is an architecture for continuity, judgment, and learning.